Out there, between the stars, there are travelers older than our sun, silent, invisible, crossing the gulf of light years, each one carrying secrets from worlds we've never seen. Every once in a while, one of these wanderers crosses our path. It doesn't belong here. It wasn't born in our solar system. But for a brief moment in eternity, it passes through and leaves us with more questions than answers. This is the story of the interstellar comet, a cosmic stranger visiting our sun for the first and last time. In 2017, humanity met its first known visitor, ʻOumuamua. It came from nowhere, no light, no trail, no warning. It zipped past Earth faster than anything we had ever tracked, tumbling in a way no rock or comet ever had before. At first, scientists thought it was an asteroid, then something else. It didn't shine like a comet, but it moved as if something invisible were pushing it away. Was it releasing gas, or was it something artificial? That question haunted astronomers for years, until 2 years later, another visitor appeared. Borisov, a true interstellar comet, this time glowing with gas and ice. Unlike ʻOumuamua, Borisov behaved like a comet should, but the chemistry inside it told a different story. It wasn't made from the same materials as anything in our solar system. It was built from foreign stardust, and now the universe has sent another one, 3I Atlas, a faint, cold body from beyond the sun's reach, racing at hundreds of thousands of kilometers per hour. As it approached the inner solar system, its glow changed, from red to blue, from quiet to violent, as if awakening from a deep, frozen sleep. Its composition is alien, its energy unpredictable, its very structure unlike anything we've seen before. Where did it come from? No one knows. Maybe from a system that's long dead. Maybe from a planet that never had a chance to form. Maybe, just maybe, from a place where life began differently. When an interstellar comet like a TLAS enters our solar system, it becomes a messenger, a piece of another star's past colliding with the story of our own. Its speed tells us about the gravitational pull that once shaped it. Its gases whisper the chemistry of distant suns. Its light curve, that mysterious pulse of brightness, may reveal how matter behaves in conditions we can barely imagine. To study it is to peek beyond our cosmic neighborhood, to glimpse what other systems are made of, what they lost, and what they still might hold. But there's something haunting about these travelers. They never stay. Once they leave the sun's gravity, they vanish back into the dark forever. We'll never see them again. We'll never know their full story. And maybe that's the point. Maybe the universe is reminding us that not everything that passes through our lives is meant to stay. Some things, like these comets, exist only to show us how vast, how alive, and how interconnected everything truly is. So the next time a bright object streaks through the night sky, remember it could be an interstellar traveler, a messenger from another sun, whispering stories from beyond time. And for one fleeting moment, as it glows and fades into darkness, you are part of its journey too.